So if you aren't a complete bot or just an idiot, I'm pretty sure you've heard about meme coins this year or in the past year, and you have been seeing that it's going absolutely insane. There are literal kids making millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars just by simply being at the right place at the right time. And I know a lot of you guys have probably invested into meme coins. Maybe you lost a little bit of money or you're just too scared to invest into meme coins. And trust me, I was there at one point. I kind of really didn't know what to do because I would get stuck with, all the hype on Twitter, Instagram, especially after like the Trump coin or the chill guy coin, Pepe. Those are just a few examples. But personally, from my experience, when you buy those coins, the only thing you're doing is getting the creators of those coins rich. So that's why I kind of shifted to making coins on my own rather than buying into coins. So there's platforms like Pump.Fun that make it super easy for people to make coins and actually launch them. So as you guys have seen, as I've been talking, there have been a lot of coins literally being made by the minute right here. So this platform literally allows you to launch a coin for a couple dollars and it's really nothing too crazy. The only problem with this platform, Pump.Fun, is that it really puts you at a disadvantage because no one really takes these coins seriously because like the market cap on them isn't really that high. It's gonna put you at a disadvantage, and really I'm never gonna buy none of these coins right here. If we go on to a different DEX, as you guys could see right here, Radium, this is where it gets a little bit more serious, and a lot of people that are really looking to invest are gonna scan for Radium, and they're really only going to invest in these coins right here. So yeah, this is probably one of the second most popular DEXs in my experience, and I actually do use this one a little bit. So the reason why a lot of these projects actually produce better on Radium is because they require a lot more complicated work on the back end. For example, they need developers to create them, and you would essentially need to hire a developer. It takes a lot of coding and a lot of time and actually costs a lot of money. So for me, that's not convenient, especially since I want to make money quick and I don't want to go through all that stuff. But the benefit of actually coming out on Radium for these coins compared to Pump.Fun is that you're going to get a lot more people that are going to invest in your coin. And like I said before, these coins have way higher market caps compared to coins on Pump.Fun. They struggle to hit even like 7K market cap. Like look, as you guys can see, this one barely is past 7K, 5.9K. And if I go over here, these are going crazy. Like it's just, yeah. So this is going to be way better. I actually found a website that is going to let you launch a coin on Radium, which is absolutely fucking insane. If you're going to launch a meme coin, this website is actually called coinfast.fun. And I'm essentially in this video going to show you guys exactly how to create a coin and put it up fairly quickly so you guys can start making money. Like I mentioned before, this website is actually going to let you launch a meme coin that is going to be produced on Radium, which is fucking insane because people will literally invest in your coin just because it's on this platform, like on Radium. That's literally the most important part. And you won't need to go through all that BS of hiring a developer, doing all the coding shit. You could literally launch a coin on Radium in less than 20 minutes. Like, I don't know how long this shit's gonna last, bro, but like, if you actually want to learn how to do it, just make sure you guys keep watching this video. I'm gonna go from start to finish on how to actually create the coin and launch it on Radium. So before I actually launch a coin, I kind of like to base my research, or I wouldn't say my research, but what I'm gonna launch the coin on based on real life events, not just like random things I put together. So yeah, I kind of go on Twitter and I look around what's trending. Let's just say, for example, like the Super Bowl is literally today. I'm going to go ahead and see what I could find about the Super Bowl and kind of base my coin about that. I did my research and kind of found out what I'm going to do my coin on. For example, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it on the Super Bowl. Since it is trending, I'm going to put fly, Eagles, fly. And then here for the token symbol, I'm just going to put fly, Eagles. Fly Eagle, okay, that's fine. And then for the image, make sure it's 500 by 500. That's pretty simple. You could literally just go to Canva right here. You're going to upload an image and you download the photo from the internet. You just put it right here. That's the photo I'm going to use. And when you download it, it's going to give it to you in 500 by 500. So now we're going to go back to CoinFast and we're going to put the image right here. So now that we have everything done here, we're kind of almost done with the first part of just making our token with the name and the symbol. We put the image right here. You really guys don't need to worry about all this. Just follow everything that I'm going to tell you in this video and you should be fine. So I'm going to click next. And also, if you haven't, make sure you link your Phantom wallet to coinfast.fun. You're going to hit next. So right here, it's going to tell you about the decimals. You're going to leave that at 9. And the total supply, you're going to leave it at 1 billion. And right here, you're just going to put something pretty simple. I would make it a little bit more complex from what I'm going to put. I'm just making this for the sake of the video. So I'm going to put Eagles are winning the Super Bowl. So we're going to leave that as that. And we're going to hit next. So right here, you guys really don't need to put anything in these sections because regardless if you put something, it's really not going to be shown. So you guys could just leave that the way it is. And this is really the most important part. Make sure you guys have these selected, all 3 selected, the revoke freeze, revoke mint, and the revoke update. Make sure they're all selected. It's going to have them pre-selected so you don't have to click it. It's going to already be pre-selected. So make sure, like I said, you guys have all 3 of these selected. It's crucial to do that because obviously it allows you to freeze the token accounts of your holders and things like that. So make sure you guys have this like that. So the reason why I harp on you guys to really leave all of these selected is because it's just going to make your coin look more trustworthy. And obviously it's not going to look like a rug to people that want to invest. So make sure you guys have all of them selected. So now that you guys selected all that, you're ready to create your token. You're simply just going to click create token. So right here, you're just going to put your Phantom wallet, make sure everything's good. And you should get these notifications right here, but trust me, everything's safe. You're just going to click continue and it's going to proceed with the completion of your coin. You're going to click confirm again. You're going to click I understand. Everything is going to be sure. Yes, confirm. So it's confirming the transaction right here. We're just going to wait a little bit. And pretty soon it should come up that everything is good and we're going to continue with the creation. So as you guys could see right there, the token has successfully been created. So now that the token has been created, you're simply just going to copy the token address and you're going to click view on Explorer. Right here, you could just, don't mind this is fine. Right here, you guys could just see a lot of the things that are kind of not really important, but you guys just want to keep in mind. So right there, you have the address, you have the mint, the freeze authority, you have the history, attributes, instructions. So a lot of that stuff we really don't need to worry about. We just want to keep moving forward. So we're going to go back to CoinFast and we're going to put create liquidity pool and make sure you guys have the address of your token copied. It just makes it a little bit easier. So now that we're here, we're going to switch this right here to your token. So make sure the address you guys copied previously, you're going to paste it right here. And for the symbol, you're just going to put Fly Eagle. And for the name, you're going to put Fly Eagles. We're going to put add user token right there. So we're going to click that. And right here, we're going to switch this to Solana. Make sure you guys do click that right there. And on this one, you're going to put max and you're going to switch it to 900 million. Make sure it's 900 million right there. And you're going to set the tier right there to 2%. So I did forget to mention, make sure you guys click max right there or else you'll get something right here that won't let you do it. Yeah, when you guys are going to put that on the quote token, make sure you click max. So we're going to go ahead and click initialize liquidity pool. And you're going to go ahead and just click confirm right there. Once you go through everything, you guys could see your coin is actually official and it's going to look something like this. You guys do have the option to buy, sell, whatever you guys please to do with it. This is an example of earlier today of the coin that I had, kind of the similar concept that I did. And yeah, you guys could take away all liquidity from the coin or essentially rug the fuck out of it, what I did here. But yeah, if you guys want more, make sure you guys like and comment. And remember, these videos are all for educational purposes only.